Economic Freedom Fighters EFF member Parliament Sihle Lonziunderfire has come under fire for defying committee instructions and publicly identifying a candidate during the National Youth Development Agency interview scoring process. His actions, which could lead to personal legal consequences, have sparked political tensions within Parliament. During a committee meeting on Tuesday, Chairperson Sihle van der Merwe warned Lonzi that he could be held personally liable for violating the Protection of Personal Information (POPI) Act. The warning follows a legal complaint from a candidate who alleged that his personal details were not safeguarded during the scoring process. Although the candidate was not officially named, discussions last week suggest that the complainant is African National Congress Youth League Treasurer General Zwelo Masilela. Masilela faced intense scrutiny from Lonzi during the February interviews and ultimately failed to make the final shortlist. Despite the threat of legal repercussions, Lonzi remained unapologetic, asserting that he acted in the public interest. He argued that his questioning exposed ethical concerns about some candidates and said, "I don't know why people are now suddenly becoming defensive or angry because we have potentially shown the public that some of these candidates may not necessarily have the ethical stature that we are looking for." However, Van der Merwe criticized his conduct, reminding him that certain questions he raised during the interviews had already been deemed inappropriate and were excluded from the scoring process, and said, "You will personally be held liable for the breach of POPI Act and also for the cost of the exercise if it is challenged." ANC MP Tsehofatso Chauke Adonis went a step further, alleging that Lonzi's presence on the committee was politically motivated. She suggested that he was deliberately placed at the last minute to wage a political battle. Meanwhile, concerns over the treatment of candidates have also emerged. Last week, Van der Merwe condemned the cyberbullying that some applicants endured after their interviews were broadcast. She said, "I felt that to have been unfortunate because it amounts to cyberbullying, and I think that really goes against the spirit of what we had wanted as a portfolio committee. We are here to give young people a hand up, not to ridicule them." However, Lonzi disregarded these concerns and, despite being told not to name candidates, continued to single out Masilela during the scoring process. Lonzi said number 10, which I believe is Mr. Zwelo Masilela, is 0. Despite the controversy, the following candidates have been shortlisted for recommendation to the president for a renewable 3-year term: Kelly Sandra Baloyi, Thembisile Precious Mohau, Mfaniseni Wiseman Bata, Bonga Spesihle Makaya, Sibusiso Makatsini, Ifan Mangera, Sunshine Minenhle Miende, Busisiwe Nandipha Nxumalo, Xabiso Nicholas Nyati. The final decision now rests with the president, but the political drama surrounding the selection process has cast a shadow over integrity of the appointment process. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.